In this opportunity, Principal Sir and my dear friends and teachers, thank you. Murli to say self confidence on speed.
Happy morning, everyone. Myself, Yamrul, I am Grade-VII Cerulean. Now I am giving a speech on your self-confidence. You know that self-confidence. Self-confidence means having a belief your self-confidence. It is also it is something that we need to develop our selves, and it is also an important. Uh, fresh and fresh fresh and fresh and healthy and positive lifestyle. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now I would like to call Mahendra to say about speech on Abdul Kalam.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is B. Mahinda. I am studying in St. Cerulean. Here to talk about APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was great scientist and Indian and ideas teacher and the 11th President of India. APJ Abdul Kalam full name was Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father name was Jailuddin and his mother name was Asiyama.
I would like to call Cherita to say state and sport news.
Happy morning, everyone. I am Tirtha of Grade-VII Cerulean. Today I am going to tell national and sports news. National news. Tripura remained backward during the left rule. BJP brought development. Sports news. We miss you, Ashwin, from international cricket. Thank you, Ashwin.
I would like to call Arhan to say international news.
Happy morning, everyone. Myself, MD Arhan from Grade-VII Cerulean. Today I'm going to tell international news. International news. UK's shadow Priti Patel wants China on national security risk list. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Ajit to say thought.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Ajit from Grade 70. Thought. Don't believe in luck, believe in hard work. Thank you.